Welcome to the Temp-Taker 3 video training series. This video explains the Auto Report tab, located within the General Settings section of the software. When utilizing the Auto Report feature on your Temp-Taker system, you can automatically provide temperature and checklist data to off-site staff members at a date and time frequency of your choice. Using this feature will bypass the need for manual assistance from an admin-level user at the physical location of the Temp-Taker system. At the top of this screen, you will first notice three different options to toggle between. The default is set to not automatically report, meaning that if you would like to produce a report for yourself or other staff members, you would need to create and send the data manually from the Data Reports section of the Temp-Taker program. The second toggle is designed to automatically create and send a report to your intended recipients after every data upload. This action will happen after every sync you perform with the Temp-Taker handheld unit, barring that the station functionality settings in the Security Options tab have not been adjusted from their default setting. The third toggle is designed to automatically create and send a report to your intended recipients at a date and time frequency of your choice. Additionally, the Device Reminders button located to the right of the date and time frequency settings will allow you to set an alarm on the Temp-Taker handheld unit to remind you to sync the unit to upload its most recent data before the next report is generated and sent out. If you decide to utilize the Auto Report feature, you will not be able to save your choice of reporting until you declare where the reports will be sent to and how they will get there. Temp-Taker offers two options for how to get the PDF reports to your recipients, either by storage in a network or cloud-based file folder and/or attached as a file in a direct email. Both of these options can be used simultaneously if desired. Once you have added in the necessary folder path and/or email settings information, you will then select which kind of report to send, either a standard report, a more detailed supervisor report, or a custom report called a template. When choosing template as your selection, you may choose any combination of your previously created templates for delivery. Understanding the different types of reports available and how to create your own report templates can all be found in the video titled Data Reports. When choosing to save the reports inside of a file folder on a network or a cloud-based storage account, you will need to provide the Temp-Taker software with the proper folder path, as well as any associated usernames and passwords that would be required. Once you click the Save Changes button at the top of the screen, the Temp-Taker software will then automatically test your folder path settings to ensure everything is connected correctly before moving forward. For more information on how to set up a cloud-based storage account with your Temp-Taker system, please view the video titled How to Set Up a Cloud-Based Folder Path for Temp-Taker 3. When choosing to send the reports to your staff members via email, you will first want to add in the addresses of all the intended recipients, separating each of them with a comma. Once completed, open the Email Server and Account Settings by clicking the Account Settings toggle. You will now be required to fill in the appropriate server and account settings that are associated with the email address you would like to use as the sender of your Temp-Taker reports. Hotmail, Yahoo, and Gmail settings are already preset into the Temp-Taker software, so by simply toggling one of those options, you only need to add in the remaining account information to complete the setup. When using an email platform different from the aforementioned choices, choose Custom on the Email Provider drop-down toggle, and then enter in your account's server, port number, and encryption settings. This concludes the training video on the Auto Report tab, located in the General Settings section of the software. For additional questions, please email info@itdfoodsafety.com or call 321-676-3194 to reach a technical support representative.